When a shower is frozen but the sink is not, there are several possible reasons for this issue. One reason is that the shower pipes may be exposed to cold air through cracks and gaps in the exterior wall. To fix this, any gaps on the exterior walls or areas around the plumbing should be identified and sealed with caulk or expanding foam. Another reason for frozen shower pipes is inadequate insulation, which increases the likelihood of freezing. This can be corrected by wrapping the shower pipes with foam pipe insulation and using heat tape or pipe sleeves for additional protection. Infrequent use of the shower can also cause the water to remain in the pipes for prolonged periods, making it more susceptible to freezing. To prevent this, allowing a small trickle of water to flow from the shower faucet can help. A sudden drop in temperature can quickly freeze water pipes, especially if the shower is not in use during cold seasons. This issue can be fixed by thawing the shower pipes using items such as a hairdryer or a heat lamp. Additionally, small leaks or drafts in the plumbing area can expose the shower to cold air, accelerating freezing. To counteract this, any leaks on the pipes should be fixed, or the shower pipes should be replaced if they are completely damaged. Regularly checking the condition of the plumbing and insulation can help ensure that everything remains in good condition, preventing future issues with frozen shower pipes.